Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of solar panels and taking a closer look at Qcells, a company that's been making waves in the solar industry. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Qcells, a subsidiary of the South Korean conglomerate Hanwha, has been making headlines with its commitment to renewable energy. In fact, Vice President Kamala Harris visited their manufacturing plant in Georgia, showcasing their role in supporting community solar projects across the U.S. With energy prices on the rise and growing concerns about climate and carbon emissions, now is a great time to consider adding a solar system to your home or small business. It's not just a way to lower utility bills, but also to increase the value of your property. Qcells works with a network of distributors and installers nationwide, offering complete solar installations for your convenience. However, you'll need to do some research to find the certified distributor installer in your area, as their options and services may vary. Choosing Qcells means you'll get top-quality panels with impressive warranties. Their Peak Duo series offers efficient panels with wattages ranging from 385 to 595. Plus, Qcells promises a remarkable 25-year workmanship warranty, which is 15 years longer than some competitors. Now, during your solar shopping journey, it's crucial to get quotes from various installers in your area. Take your time, as this is a long-term investment meant to last for decades. When you order through Qcells, you'll receive their Q Home Core equipment package, including a hybrid inverter that's compatible with other leading inverters. Paired with Qcells lithium batteries, this streamlined set of components offers easy, modular installation. As we haven't gone through the ordering or installation process with Qcells, we can't provide a standard rating for the company. However, their reliable hardware and reputation in the solar market make them a trusted choice. So, if you're looking for a solar panel solution from a trusted name, Qcells might be worth checking out. Keep in mind to research the distributor installer in your area to ensure a seamless experience. That wraps up our review of Qcells and their solar panels. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others interested in solar energy. And remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.